So my name is Paul Muscat. I'm a conservator restorer and as well today the managing director and the president of the co-op, because we are a cooperative as well. So my typical day is very intensive usually. It starts around about 7:30 in the morning, where I'll start checking my emails and try to answer them as quickly as possible. And then typically we'll start planning the day with our employees, and we'll start seeing which projects needs to be tackled immediately. Well, in my job there are two kinds of challenges. There's the challenges to try and convince clients to do a project and to pay you the right money for the job that you're doing. And then there are the challenges that the objects bring. But that is a challenge which is as well a satisfaction for us. When you get a project which, like a painting, which is more or less on the verge of being destroyed or being damaged for forever. Unfortunately, in Malta, sometimes you don't have a continuous work on certain sectors because of the small market that we have. So students will have to, be a little bit flexible in trying new objects and new challenges for restoration.